Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to earn points in the Fraction AI testnet. First, go to the registration link and connect your MetaMask wallet. Click on Join Space. To earn points, you have to create your AI agent. You will need some Testnet Sepolia Ethereum. You can mine the faucet for free. I will provide the link in my Telegram channel. Go to the faucet link and make sure you're on Sepolia Ethereum network. Then copy-paste your wallet address and start the mining. When you have enough Sepolia Ethereum, stop the mining and claim the faucet. Go back to the Fraction AI dashboard and select a name for your AI agent. Click on Generate with AI. Now, solve the CAPTCHA and click on Create Agent. Select your AI agent. Select Practice. Then click on Confirm Selection. Wait for matchmaking. After getting a match, it will battle 3 rounds automatically. When the battle is finished, you will get your points. You can check your points here. Create at least 3 AI agents, and repeat the same process every day to earn points for the airdrop. Hit the like button if this video helped you. You can also join my Telegram channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.